Thank you for watching. I'm here today to give you a detailed overview, some general information, and my first impressions on these NoCry knee guards sent to me by the seller for evaluation and available to you on Amazon. I'm a big fan of these knee guards. Let me tell you what I love about them. Anytime I buy something online, there are a couple of things that are most important to me. The first is the quality of the materials used, and the second is the quality of construction. And so what I like to do is go through and make sure that there aren't any rips or tears or seams coming apart, that there aren't any cracks in the protective area, that everything works the way that it's supposed to work, that the straps are connected properly, and that these are going to be able to protect my knees like they're supposed to. And after a thorough inspection, they're ready for work. At the top, you have a very strong loop where you can hang these at a workbench, in the back of a vehicle, whatever you need to do, you can hang them up. On the front is a very solid, very hard, very sturdy protective plastic knee brace that has flexibility to it. Around the top and around the sides, very comfortable but very solid padding. And inside is a comfortable, solid pad. The back straps are elastic and easily adjustable. And putting them on and off is just as easy as connecting this strap to the side. And most important for me, they don't slip around, they don't slide, they pretty much stay in place. So the big question is, do they work and do they protect knees? Take a look at this. So this is just a short video of me in my house. I have stone floors, okay? So I've got these knee braces on. I weigh about 180 pounds and I am free dropping onto that floor with these knee braces on. And so on the free drop, I felt no pain, no discomfort, just a bit of a thud. So yes, they absolutely work. Yes, they absolutely protect the knees. But hopefully you'll never have to drop to your knees like that. Where do I find knee pads like this useful? I think these are great for anybody who's working in a garden, any type of outdoor activity, working on your car. I think they're great for construction, for folks that have to pound nails all day long and they're on hard surfaces. This is the type of knee protection that you're going to need. If you are looking for a quality professional protection for your knees, whether it's for home or for work, I highly recommend that you give NoCry a look. They work for me. They are absolutely a keeper. Maybe they'll work for you as well.